Introducing the 2024 Volkswagen Tiguan Launch Edition 2.0 TDI, a sleek and powerful SUV perfect for any adventure. With 150 horsepower and a 2-litre engine, this vehicle is not only stylish, but also efficient with its diesel fuel type. From its luxurious interior features like ambient lighting and satellite navigation to its top-notch safety features, including multiple airbags and collision avoidance braking, this Tiguan has it all. This vehicle has been meticulously cared for, with 6 to 920 kilometres on the clock and a full multi-point health and safety check. It is serviced to manufacturer specification and comes with a comprehensive warranty for your peace of mind. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us or visit mullingarautos.ie today for more information on this stunning Tiguan.